USMW HD water pump number US2128. This water pump is a direct replacement for 2007 to 13 international vehicles equipped with Navistar DT466, DT530, DT530E, as well as MaxxForce DT9 and 10 engines with OE part numbers 1830607C4, 1841764C2, 1842664C91, 1842664C92, and 1842665C3. USMW HD water pumps are manufactured to meet or exceed all OEM specifications. The pump features a fully machined steel hub, case-hardened bearings, high-quality premium seals, a stamped steel metal impeller, a precision CNC machined housing, and comes complete with all necessary gaskets to do the job right. These premium components combine to provide optimum cooling and pump longevity. USMW Heavy Duty, industry-leading quality, 100% OEM performance.